Welcome to our tutorial on how to start a freelancing career. With the rise of the gig economy, there are now countless ways to earn an income from the comfort of your own home. Whether you're looking to supplement your current salary with your freelance work, or if you're wanting to start a full-time freelance business, this video is for you. In this video, we'll walk you through the steps you must take to start making real money freelancing. These steps will include things from coming up with your plan to what you must do to guarantee your success, so make sure you watch till the end. Step 1. Research your options. Before you start freelancing, it's important to do your research and find the right niche for you. There are many types of freelance work, including things like graphic design, writing, web development, social media management, and more. Considering your skills and interests and being totally honest with yourself when doing so is of the utmost importance when deciding which niche is best for you. Choosing an area that you have the most experience within will help with how quickly you can start making money within that niche. If you're starting to freelance as a way to build your breadth of work in an area you don't have much experience in, there may be a longer wait time before you start making the type of money you're hoping to make. Step 2. Building your portfolio. Once you've chosen your niche, it's important to build a strong portfolio that showcases both your skill sets and the prior work you've been responsible for producing. Having a good portfolio that clearly showcases your abilities will help you attract clients and stand out from other freelancers in your niche. You could start by creating samples of your work and putting them on your website or online portfolio. Including a range of projects that demonstrate the full scope of your skills and expertise is ideal, but you also want to make this information easily digestible for potential clients. Step 3. Determining your rates. Determining your rates can be a tricky task. While you obviously want to make sure you're charging enough to make a living, you don't want to charge so much that you scare away potential clients. Doing some research and seeing what other freelancers in your niche are charging is the best first step to take. You can also use online tools like Freelancers Union or Upwork's rate calculator to determine a fair price. Always remember that freelancers in different markets can charge different rates, so try to keep your research specific to the market you're working within and be sure to keep it within an acceptable range for the potential clients you're targeting. Step 4. Creating a professional profile. Creating a professional profile is essential in finding freelance work. You can start by signing up for websites like Upwork, Freelancer, or Fiverr and creating a profile that showcases your skills and experience. You should make sure your profile is as complete as possible and includes a professional photo, your rates, a brief bio, and your portfolio to help showcase your work. Step 5. Marketing yourself. Marketing yourself is an important aspect of freelancing. To market yourself, you can create a website or a blog that showcases your work and your services. This is similar to a portfolio, but your general website should also include a summary of your experience, your goals for what you deliver to your clients, and even your methodology for delivering these results. Utilizing social media platforms like LinkedIn, Twitter, and Facebook to promote your services and reach potential clients is one of the most prominent ways that freelancers are reaching a more vast audience these days. While social media is important, we always want to make sure we don't put all of our marketing eggs into one basket. Step 6. Creating a business plan. Creating a business plan is important for anyone starting a freelance business. One must write down their goals and objectives and determine what steps you need to take to reach them. When goal setting, it's important to be as specific as possible. This enables you to keep yourself accountable and measure the progress that you make on a day-to-day, week-by-week, or even month-by-month basis. Make sure to review your plan regularly and adapt as changes in the market, your offerings, or your clients' needs occur. Step 7. Network and collaborate. Networking and collaboration are key components to running a successful freelance business. Reaching out to other freelancers in your field and offering to collaborate on projects can help you open up doors that you may not have had access to otherwise. Attending events and conferences and joining online forums and discussion groups related to your area of expertise is another way to get your name and business in front of more people. Building relationships and working with others can lead to new opportunities and help you grow your freelance business. Step 8. Staying motivated and consistent. Finally, it's important to stay motivated and consistent in your efforts to freelance. Set achievable goals and reward yourself when you reach them. Surround yourself with a supportive community and don't be afraid to ask for help when you need it. Thank you for taking the time to watch. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe to be the first to get future videos on how to make money online.